Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you on how to configure your preload settings on Chrome on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome on your computer. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More icon, which is represented by 3 dots. Then, select Settings. Step 3. On the left side, click on Performance. Step 4. Now, you can turn the preload pages feature on or off according to your preference. Step 5. Select the setting that suits your needs. If you want to preload some of the pages you're likely to visit, choose Standard Preloading. For an even more enhanced experience, go for Extended Preloading to preload additional pages you're likely to visit. And that's it. You have successfully configured your preload settings on Chrome. Remember, optimizing your preload settings can significantly enhance your browsing experience and save you time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy browsing and take care.